Hey guys, today I want to talk about why your first video doesn't even matter. Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm literally forcing myself to do these videos without a teleprompter and just off the cuff, trying to remember what I want to talk about because I want to prove a point, and that point is that it's best if you just be you in your videos and don't worry too much about exactly what you're going to say. Have a couple of ideas ready and then just talk about them, and you'll come across a lot more real to your audience, and they'll appreciate that and connect better with you. So I just made a video last week that did very well, is doing very well, getting lots of views, way more views than my typical video. And it was the first video I ever did, well, in a long time, like this, with no teleprompter, not scripted, just a couple of notes, and it seemed to resonate very well with a lot of people, and I'm very thankful for that, and I'm humbled by that. If you've seen that video, thank you, and if you've commented on it, that's awesome. I tried to reply to all the comments, but there's a lot. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link up above somewhere in the video or in the description below, so you can check that out. And it's just about being authentic. Actually, it's mainly, the title is Why People Over 40 Must Start a YouTube Channel. I use the word must, but I mean, that's a little strong. Why I highly encourage people over 40 to start a YouTube channel, because I think it's something that is not a game just for young people. It can be very fulfilling for us older people as well. So anyways, thank you for that, for liking that last video and joining me today. So yeah, today I want to talk about why your first video isn't important. And what I mean by, I shouldn't say isn't important, it doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. So I've got 4 bullet points to go over, and this video is going to be a lot shorter than the last one. I'm aiming for around 10 minutes. 25 minutes was a bit long, but so my first point is that no one will see your first video. And again, that might sound harsh, but what I mean by that, I mean, people will see it. What I mean by that is, if your goal is to be successful on YouTube, and by successful, I don't necessarily mean making lots of money. Success to you might be being fulfilled or rewarded in another way. Maybe you just love to do it. You love growing a channel, and you're getting a lot of satisfaction out of building a community and connecting with your audience and just having fun with video. So I don't mean making lots of money. That's not what success may mean to you. It might, but it might not. But once your channel is successful, once you become successful, if that's your goal, and that might be a couple months from now, might be a couple years from now, who knows? At that point, let's say you're getting 10,000 views, for example, in your videos. Well, the people coming in to see you in those videos and are subscribing to your channel at that point, they likely never saw your first videos. They likely never saw your first 20 videos, right? Maybe you're on video 100 and you're getting lots of views now, but it's those current videos that are bringing in the subscribers and the views. Now, some of those people may go back and see your first videos, but really, as your channel grows, those first videos don't really matter in terms of the growth of your channel. So just keep that in mind. That might help you when you're trying to figure out what to talk about, or if you're nervous talking in front of the camera like this. I'm uncomfortable doing this, and a lot of people are, but the more you do it and the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So keep that in mind. Pretend that nobody's watching you. You're in your room by yourself, just talking to a camera, which can be weird, but the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it. So that's my first point. My second point is that your first videos are for you and only you, right? And what I mean by that is you're making them so that you get better at making videos. So treat your first videos like practice sessions. I mean, I still want you to do the videos, make the videos, and upload them. I think that's important. Now, I mean, you may want to practice a few times talking to the camera without uploading the videos, But really early on, I think it'd be very beneficial if you did make some videos and uploaded them, even if you're not happy with them, not comfortable with them. You may think you look stupid, or you sound stupid, or you don't like the sound of your voice, or the way you look, or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's practice. Think of those first 20 videos, anyways, maybe even more, as practice for you so that you can get better. And as long as you try to make each video after your previous one better than your previous one, just try to improve like one thing at a time, you'll get better, and you'll get better faster than you realize. And in fact, making your second video may only take a fraction of the time as it took you to make your first. That's the way it was for me. So keep that in mind. My third point is that if you're just starting, let's say you don't even have a business and you're starting YouTube and you want to turn it into a business, well, you probably don't even have anything to sell yet, right? I mean, some of you may have a business and you want to start YouTube to help drive traffic to that business, and that's fine. I'm not really talking about those scenarios. I'm more talking about if you don't have anything, you're starting from scratch, and you want to eventually turn this into a business. Then if you have nothing to sell, then again, it doesn't matter. Your first videos don't matter because you're not going to be getting many viewers, many subscribers in the beginning, and that's okay. I think the first step in creating an online business is getting comfortable talking to the camera. Now, yes, you can create YouTube channels without your face in them. There's AI-driven channels popping up now. I'm not a big believer in those. I really think that your best asset when creating on YouTube is yourself, and putting yourself out there, making yourself vulnerable, and just giving it a shot. Be uncomfortable, step out of your comfort zone, and make a video even though you don't think you're very good at it. You may not have any training. I didn't have any training at all, and I'm still kind of struggling through this. So yeah, get comfortable talking to the camera, and that's how I think you should start this journey. And it may take you many videos before you start getting comfortable, and before your idea of your YouTube business becomes more clear. You may not even know what you want to do when you start. You may want to create courses. You may want to get into coaching. You may want to teach video editing like I do. You may want to get into freelancing. You may be a woodworking hobbyist and you want to teach people how to do that. You may be a chef. You may be a good cook. Whatever it is, just have fun with it. And eventually, your business plan, so to speak, will become more clear. You might create a course on how to cook something, how to build something in your wood shop, fitness, how to exercise properly, yoga, how to properly stretch without injuring yourself. Whatever it is, you may be able to create things that your audience that you're going to start to grow may be interested in. So they may be guides, how-to guides, how to do things. So like in my case, a lot of people in the comments of the last video have been asking me, what camera do I use? What microphone do I use? What are the steps involved in uploading videos to YouTube? How do you do that? Where do I start? So I'm going to create, for the next quite a while, I've got a plan of about 20 videos kind of bouncing around in my head of videos to make for this YouTube channel that'll be free to walk you through all these steps. So eventually I may create a course or a guide or get into coaching. I don't know yet. But since I have nothing to sell yet, I'm not worried about it. So keep that in mind when you first start out. If you have nothing to sell, don't stress about practicing in front of the camera and just start. Now, the fourth thing I wanted to mention about why your first videos don't matter is that if you can picture yourself down the line, maybe a year from now, maybe you're a success now, maybe you have 50,000 subscribers, 5,000, whatever success is for you. Once you have a whole bunch of videos made and uploaded to YouTube and you've interacted with your audience and whatnot, wouldn't it be fun to look back at your first video? Try to picture yourself 100 videos from now, right? And how much better you'll be at making videos after making 100 of them, right? Or even 20 or whatever it is. If you look back, like take a look back after you reach 100 or 50 and watch that first video, and maybe watch it with your audience. Maybe make a video about that first video. It'll be fun. I guarantee you it'll be fun to look back at that and see how far you've come. And you'll be proud of yourself. You'll be proud. It's like, wow, I really did learn something here. I can now make videos like this, and my videos used to look like that, right? I mean, I've done that. My first video is still on my channel. It's about three and a half years old. And I cringe when I see it. I laugh at it. You have to laugh at yourself. But yeah, it's fun. So that's the fourth thing. And before I let you go, the last thing I wanted to mention is, again, to thank everybody for stopping by and watching my videos. And I'm happy that what I have to say is resonating with so many of you. But also, you may or may not be interested in my live streams. I do a live stream once a week. In the past, it's been mostly about video editing. But my next one is tomorrow. And if you're watching this a few days from now, I do it every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to stop in and say hi in the live stream, I'll be on at 1 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Usually always for at least an hour, but sometimes for 2 hours or more. And ask me questions. And it's a good time to do a Q&A. We have a lot of fun. I usually do some tutorials, share my screen, show pictures of my office in real time, and maybe Peanut will join us if she's around. I know a lot of you liked that she was in the video. She cooperated again today. So anyways, yeah, I hope to see you tomorrow in the live stream, or any Tuesday in a live stream. I plan on doing those for quite some time. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a like down below. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing if you want to hear more from me. My plan is to get into more details onto the next steps for making your first videos and getting set up on YouTube, and what the process looks like, how to get good audio, how to look good on camera, how to gain confidence, and also specifically how to edit your video, how to upload to YouTube, and all those things. So stick around. It might be a week or so before I have another video, but I plan on releasing at least one a week for the next little while. Thanks for stopping in, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Stay there. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Come on. Stay there. Want to stay here? Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Hey guys. Hey guys, how you doing? Hey guys, today I want to talk about how you doing? Today I want to talk about why your first video doesn't matter. Hi, I'm Rob, and